Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy MOODENG coin on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to search box here in the top. And then you can search MOODENG. And as you can see, there is MOODENG on Alpha. You can click it. And then this is the chart. You can see the chart here. And you can also check the details in the top. You can click info here and you can see there is 24-hour volume and also the market cap. You can check it. Also you can check the audit. And then if you want to buy MOODENG, you can just click trade in the bottom here. And then you can trade your token, USDT or BNB or other token to MOODENG. That's it. If you found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.